Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening Drive. Google, and signing into the Google account that owns the files. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and enough local disk space if you plan to download backups first. Next, check whether you're using Drive on the web or the Drive for desktop app, because the removal behavior differs, Drive only versus Drive plus local files. Once that's clear, navigate into the folder that contains the items you intend to remove, so you can act confidently and avoid mistakes. Now you select the files. Use Shift-click for ranges or Control-click for individual choices, and inspect previews if needed. Right-click the selection and choose Delete. Files move to trash, which conserves recovery for 30 days, so deletion isn't permanent yet. If you use Drive for desktop, remember that deleting in Drive may also remove the synced local copy. Make sure you want that. Once you're sure, open Trash from the left menu and click Empty Trash to permanently free storage immediately. Finish by verifying freed storage in Drive settings and ensuring Trash shows empty, because only then is deletion permanent. If deleted files reappear, it likely means another device or sync client restored them. Sign out elsewhere and pause Drive for desktop sync before deleting again. If you cannot delete due to permissions, ask the file owner to transfer ownership or remove your access. Finally, clear your browser cache and refresh Drive. If problems persist, repeat after disabling sync to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.